locomotive. Oh, this is that's a Lima, and this one is in absolutely excellent condition. The pantographs don't even show the slightest sign of rust. I hope you can appreciate this. That's beautiful. Yeah, well, I think the next thing I have to do, I really have to see whether this locomotive is running. Seeing the state of it, I assume it will be running perfectly well. Give me a second. Put the test shows, so it just fits in. And once switched on, the lights will show you that it's actually working. And now let's put this little Lima onto the track, and we can appreciate that it's not working. That's slightly frustrating, but as I said, I would be very surprised if I wouldn't be able to get this one going. I don't want to move it too much. Maybe no. So it needs a little bit more attention than just moving it forth and back. Let me go and get my tools. Just checking. First, the pickups, they seem present on both sides. Then I see whether I see something obvious here. Nothing obvious. Let's take the weight out so it doesn't fall out. And I will now see whether I can just move the motor just a little bit, whether this will help. Just gentle little movement. The brushes are both in place. Also the brush down here seems to be on the stone. So what I'll do next, I will try whether some direct electricity applied to this, to the motor, will get it running. This sometimes actually helps. I think many of you will have encountered this yourselves. So I've got here this direct voltage converter, and I say let's go up to 11.5 volts, and let's see whether this will be different. Yeah, so it is working at a higher voltage. Seems to be running quite well. I don't know why it wasn't working when it was on the track, because the track is clean and in great condition. Maybe it's just it needs a higher voltage to run. Let's try it again. No, it is working. Just needs to be running a little bit. This one was bought on eBay as non-working, spares or repair, and the only thing it really needs is to be put on the layout a little bit, let it move a little bit, and the problem is basically sorted. So I'll put it back here, and let's put it into here and apply the electricity on the pickups. 12 volts or just 11.5 volts give you a very good result. So this is a perfectly well working engine, and there's absolutely no reason why this would be sold as spares or repair. often it really takes very, very little to repair these locomotives. Look at this beautiful pantograph. It's just absolutely immaculate. And this is a locomotive which was built 30 years ago. It looks as if it just came out of its original box, as if someone just bought it in a shop. I mean, I love these locos. They look brilliant. Also, this red here hasn't faded. I hope you enjoyed this as well, and thank you very much for watching.